Welcome to Day 3 breakfast.
Your breakfast today is going to be Tofu Jungle Scramble.
Now this Tofu Jungle Scramble is the perfect plant-based alternative to your regular scrambled eggs without all the cholesterol and the fats that come in eggs.
And it's super high in protein. You have both your beans and your tofu, so it sets you up for after your yoga practice to replenish your body with tons of the protein it's going to need. So let's get down to the Jungle Scramble.
We're going to start by first chopping up all the veggies. You want to chop up your garlic, your onion, your red pepper, your mushroom, and your spinach.
Then you're going to put a little bit of olive oil in a frying pan and add your onions, your garlic, and your red peppers. And this is perfect because it's all going to share each other's flavor, and it's going to create a really, really nice base for the rest of the ingredients to share in.
So cook that up for maybe about 2 to 3 minutes to allow the flavors to really soak in.
After that, you're going to move on to the tofu. Now this part, you're going to take your block of tofu and you're going to use your fingers to crumble it up and put it in the frying pan with the rest of the ingredients.
This is where we're going to add the carrots. Now the carrots are shaved, not sliced, which allows them to not require so much time to cook, which is perfect for a tofu scramble. So add the carrots, mix it all up.
Now cook this for about 5 to 8 minutes until the tofu starts to brown a little bit.
And then you add your mushrooms and your spinach next. And again, we don't want to allow the mushrooms and the spinach to cook for too long. That's why we leave it till the last minute. And then here comes the best ingredient for a tofu scramble.
This is the nutritional yeast.
It's gonna give it that kind of cheesy flavor. The nutritional yeast is the key to a perfect tofu scramble. So once you let it cook for another minute, maybe 2 minutes, then add your beans. Continue to stir it up. Let the flavor of the veggies and the nutritional yeast really cook up all together.
And finally, you're going to add your spices and let it cook with the spices again for another 2 to 3 minutes.
Really stir it up
until you feel like the consistency of everything and the flavors are really shared and really mixed together.
And there you go, you got your tofu scramble now. Now to finish it off, we always love to pair it with some avocado to add in some healthy fats, and as well our favorite sourdough toast.
And there you have it.
This is your Tofu Jungle Scramble.